This video provides an introduction to our Optimal Yield Automated Decision Optimization software. Yield optimization is a multidimensional, complex problem. The question you need to answer is how to determine the optimal plans and schedules, given the primary goal of scheduling is having required inventory for orders and efficient product runs. Manufacturing plans and schedules primarily drive plant performance. The planning problem includes scheduling several sequential manufacturing steps over a planning horizon of multiple days. Mathematically, the problem has thousands of variables and constraints. Optimal Yield can help. Placing the power of sophisticated, proven decision optimization technology directly into the hands of users, Optimal Yield reduces the complexity, time, and cost of decision-making that saves you time and positively impacts your bottom line. Optimal Yield provides you unparalleled decision support for determining what to sell to maximize profit, what to grow or buy to best match sales at the lowest cost, how to price, and how to process materials on hand to achieve the highest order fulfillment rate and value to inventory, considering acceptable inventory levels. This includes revenue from sales, the cost of procuring materials, and the cost of processing. In performing the optimization, Optimal Yield maximizes profit while fulfilling all orders, making product as permitted to inventory, as well as considering all sources for the procurement of materials and processing costs. A differentiator, Optimal Yield has the ability to model scenarios in days, weeks, and months. With Optimal Yield, you can simultaneously reduce costs and increase yields by optimally solving, in a single model, the integrated sales, procurement, and production problem for maximum profit. The combined increased sales realization and savings typically results in profit improvement of 3% or more of the value optimized compared to flawed spreadsheets, limited enterprise resource planning ERP programs, and antiquated optimization programs. In short, Optimal Yield considers every scenario provided and solves for maximum profit. The software provides flexible integration with other IT systems. Optimal Yield integrates and complements ERP systems, leveraging the data stored in ERP systems. Optimal Yield has both manual and automated operation modes. A web-based software-as-a-service solution, Optimal Yield is easy to use, helping to save time and improve your productivity. For sales planning, Optimal Yield determines the product mix to generate the greatest sales realization and profit. The software can consider multiple demands at various price points for the entire product line. For production or procurement planning, Optimal Yield determines what to grow or materials to buy to best match sales. Considerations can include any number of factors. Optimal Yield enables presenting to sales personnel a continuous available to sell for days into the future based on orders received and acceptable inventory levels for products. As important, what are you going to do with what is not part of the order? What's left over? You want to get maximum value out of the leftovers too. Optimal Yield provides you marginal value information so you can price products that are not in the optimized product mix in a manner to not penalize profits. Finally, Optimal Yield provides specific processing direction to result in the highest order fulfillment and manufacture the most valuable products to inventory while complying with minimum and maximum inventory levels by product. Many reports are generated by Optimal Yield. The reports are organized into several categories. Let's review 3 example Optimal Yield reports for a meat processor. First is the summary report. The summary report presents the total value, total costs, and net value from the organization. This report is similar to a profit and loss statement or income statement. Shown in the report is revenue from sales and the value of product made to inventory, the total of which equals total revenue. The report further shows the cost of beginning inventory less the cost of material purchase, which equals the total cost. The difference in the total revenue and the total cost is the profit. A summary detail report presents for each item or product in the solution for beginning inventory cost, the amount purchased costs, the amount sold revenue, and the ending inventory value. Totals are provided for each period, location, and for the entire route. This detail totals to the information in the summary report. Second is the purchased items report. This report presents for each item purchased, the amount purchased, the cost per unit, and the total purchase cost. As well, totals are presented for each location, period, and for the total run. Again, these totals relate directly to the values in the summary report. Finally, the cutting report. For each cutting formula, the yields are presented showing the quantity consumed of the source material as well as the quantities yielded of each item produced. Thank you for watching our Optimal Yield Decision Optimization introduction. Remember, when you need to see results that are close to perfect as possible, Optimal Answers can help.